Hey Kalani, I just wanted to make you a quick video, since we may not have a bunch of time for the rest of this week to actually sit down and talk. So I wanted to make you a quick video on, how we can get this website build underway. So first, I'm going to take you through a couple of the top searches in Google for hair salons in Oakland, hairstylists in Oakland, anything that nature. The top 3 searches that are coming up on Google. So when I come here into Google and I typed in hair salon Oakland, I'll go to the organic searches first. Fig and Clover came up first, Bebo, Strut Oakland, and then Hype Salon down here, top 5 or top 4. And then before I begin on the website, I'm going to just let you know the main 3 things I'm going to be talking to you about for this video, for building a website or for any website in general, are the content on there, its backlinks, and citations throughout the web. Okay, so first we come in here with Fig and Clover. They actually got a pretty decent website in here, and I can't scroll. They got a pretty decent website going in here. They do have a lot of content and a good amount of pages on here. The content on their first page could be a little bit more. You'd definitely like to have, like 1,500 to 2,000 words, but they've got a good get in touch column down here, listing where they are on Google Maps, some testimonials, it looks like, down here, or their Instagram page, their Instagram page down here. And then I'll go to just one of their pages real quick. This is just kind of to see what your competitors or what competitors out there are putting on their website, so we don't miss out on anything that will get us to the top of Google. I'm sorry, let me go back here real quick. So let's go to the About page. So let's see, founder. And I just going over all of their people down here, who they employ. Yeah. Okay. Great page here. Listing out everybody who's there, who's their founder, how you can reach her and contact her and everything. That's a great page. Purchase products. This is something we also want to do on your website as well. So they've got a link. Let's see where the buy now goes. It goes to their own. This looks like a possible third party. But that's okay. That's also, it looks like they have a pretty large inventory, so we can still do on your website. We could still do on your website, just a products page. And those orders will still come back to you and be fulfilled by you as well. So, Bebo looked to be a little bit, less flashy, just more of, this is kind of where we are, where we're at, what we do. But I did find that the content on their pages was quite lacking. Contact us. It doesn't even have a page. It's down here at the bottom. It links you all the way down to the bottom down there. Let's go to our services. Our services page is only barely any content. And it's not listing out, as Fig and Clover did. They do have high density blowout or whatever it is. But there's no description on what it is and how this is actually filled out, what needs to be on there, so customers can see, okay, this is exactly what I'm getting into. I know exactly what's going on with a calligraphy cut, and I don't have to search Google elsewhere to find out what that is. Hype Salon, I think this is the less content out of them all. Their home screen has barely any content. This is just a schedule now. The services they offer, this is super basic. I wouldn't want to do this for you. I want to at least make it a little bit more presentable. So like I'm saying, the content on these pages needs to be, there needs to be at least 1,000 words on each page. 500 to 1,000 on your back pages here on your home page, 1,500 to 2,000 words. So let me go into a little bit more into the content, which is the keywords inside of your pages. So when I looked up Fig and Clover and some of these other websites, these are the keywords that are being associated with their website or with their business in general. Since they offer nail salon or nail services as well, you got nail extensions near me, hair salon Oakland, Oakland hair salon, hair salons Oakland, Oakland hair, best hair salon Oakland, hair salon in Oakland. So just these variations of hair salon Oakland, hairstylist Oakland. These are all keywords that we need to put on your page to associate them with your page in order for your website to rank high on Google. And the other thing, for the citations are how much your business is listed on Google, your business name, your business phone number, and your business address. So we go Fig and Clover, actually Hype Salon had the most citations out of them all, even though their website wasn't that built. So on Facebook, their name, number, and address are listed on Facebook, on Bing, on Instagram, on Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. These are all places that we are going to need to get your business in order to rank high on Google. So when people search hairstylist, Oakland, hair salon Oakland, it will come up with these top searches here with Fig and Clover, with Bebo, with Hype Salon, and whatnot. So I'm gonna leave it at that for now. The video is getting a little long, but I just want to leave you with that for now. Let me know what you think. There's a lot more in depth we can go when we meet later on, but I'll stop the video for now, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.